Hey guys, Sis here, and I hope you enjoy. And we have new rainbow thing, and I can't wait to show you. And today we're doing the microphone, and so I can't wait to show you. So this is red. You can pause the video if you want with all of these colors. And this is orange. Yes, we will be doing these now on. We'll be doing like the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and all that over and over again. Okay, and yellow. Really pretty, I know, right? Green. Blue. Purple. Big color. So today's red. Tomorrow will be orange. Alright. Time to begin. Good. Well, I'm gonna eat that turkey. It's the yummy turkey. Dead. It's dead. Like, it has red blood. You gotta make a color joke sometimes. Tomorrow I'll do an orange joke. Why does orange love oranges? You will find out in the next show tomorrow. Piglet. So rare. So, oh. Alright, so we're gonna keep doing this. It's a dream! Man, how am I doing? How am I jumping? Dancing? Sleeping? Sitting? And doing this special move without this. How? Well, C is sit. D is sleep. U is dance. E is, space bar is jump, obviously. So let me know. I know why it makes sense. C is sit. Well, that's kind of like Z, And then sleep. Well, Z is obviously for sleep, like Z. And Q is for dance because it's like, hey, it's your cue to dance, yay! And then E is a special move because it's like exercise, maybe? E for exercise. And then spacebar is jump, obviously, like that's in all of them. Now you could pause the video, maybe write down those things to know them now. But thing is, if you write those while on here, CEQZ space bar CEQZ. It won't happen. Like I did the Z, well, nothing will happen. I do the C, nothing will happen. I do the Q, nothing will happen. I do the E, nothing will happen. I do space bar, definitely nothing will happen. And the reason that is because you can't do that on chat. You can only do it when you're not on the chat. C, Z, Q, E, spacebar. So yeah, there's lots of things to learn in this new thing, and there's many new upgrades. And hope you enjoy. And hit that like and subscribe button on my future channel. So yeah. Ooh. Ooh, that's a really pretty dove, isn't it? Okay, no, it's not. Sorry. Sorry, maybe it's not. Sorry. Okay, alright. So slow. So slow. Okay, you little slowly. You eggs. I'm allergic. Okay, and oh, I thought you were gonna be a glider. Hey, but look at that purple. Oh, my favorite color. And then yours got every green. Oh my gosh. Eat it. Eat the flies. Now. Everyone's watching you. Eat it. Eat the fly. Where's the fly? Froggy! Everyone's watching you. The sound's all the way up and everyone's watching you. Everyone's saying things and eat the fly. Come on. Well, alright. So you're not gonna eat the fly, you lady. Okay. No one's watching you, little pony. You got that X eyes. No one's watching you. Everything's quiet. Everything's quiet. Maybe 6 people are watching you. No 8, no 10, no 12, no 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Oh, 24 now. Alright. So. Minty little cat, huh? Wow. Just look at that cat. Ah. Alright, so that's all for today, and hope you enjoyed it. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Goodbye.